Linx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
Hi guys, today I'm reviewing the Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. It's cordless and bagless. It weighs 7.3 pounds and the nozzle width is 11 inches. It comes with an interchangeable 18-volt lithium battery and charger. There is a fuel gauge which tells you how much battery life is left. If there are 3 LEDs lit, there's more than 75% charge left. 2 LEDs lit means more than 50% left. 1 LED means more than 25%, and 1 blinking LED means less than 25%. The on-off switch is located conveniently on the handle. The first setting is for hard floors, and the second setting is the brush roll for vacuuming carpets. The dirt cup is clear, so you can see it filling up. It's easy to empty out since there's no bag to deal with. The Linx comes with an instruction manual for the vacuum and the battery. When you first get the vacuum, place the battery in the charger until it's fully charged. This will take about 2 to 3 hours. When the battery is fully charged, the light will gradually dim and brighten. To remove the battery once it's fully charged, hold the base, pull the release lever, and lift off the battery. Put the battery into the vacuum. It's best to put the battery into the vacuum right after it's finished charging. Don't leave the battery in the charger. To remove the battery from the vacuum, put your foot on the base of the vacuum, pull the lever, and pull the battery straight out. Put your foot on the nozzle and tilt the vacuum back to recline. The vacuum stands straight up and is slim, so it's easy to store and takes up very little space. To remove the dirt cup, press the release button and pull away. To empty the dirt cup, put it over your garbage can and press this button. It opens right up. To clean the filter, pull off the cap and filter. Clean the filter with a brush if necessary and rinse with cold water. Make sure to dry for 24 hours before using the vacuum. To clean out the baffle tube, press the bottom release button on the dirt cup. Turn the tube counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Shake the tube over a garbage can until all the dirt inside comes out. Align the slots on the tube inside and turn clockwise. Close the cover. Slide the dirt cup back into the vacuum. I'm going to throw some coarse salt on my floors and see how the Linx does vacuuming it up. As you can see, all the salt was picked up by the Linx. There are some gaps and cracks in my hardwood floors, so a few of the salt crystals did get stuck in between. Next, I'm going to throw down some white rice. All the rice was picked up very quickly. Lynx did a great job of picking up the rice from the edges of the refrigerator and under the refrigerator. The Linx does suck up everything on the steps, but it is awkward to use going from step to step. One advantage of cleaning the steps with the Linx is that it's very light. I'm going to throw some cereal down on my carpet to see how the Linx does picking it up. As you can see, the Linx picked up all of the cereal, including the little pieces that I had crumbled up. One of the best features of the Linx is that I didn't have to unplug the Linx from the kitchen and drag it out to the living room and plug it again into another outlet. It's cordless, so it's so easy to move from room to room. To move the Linx from hardwood floors to carpet, you do have to lift it up. It doesn't easily go from floor to carpet. You can see all the rice, cereal, and salt in the canister. I love the modern look and design of the Linx. It's quiet compared to most vacuums. My favorite part is that it just glides across the floor. There's very little effort I have to put in to use this vacuum. That also makes cleaning faster and less tedious. I'll never look forward to vacuuming, but with the Linx I don't dread the chore. It has edge cleaning bristles, which gets dirt close to walls and corners. The handle reclines all the way down, so you can get far under furniture if the space is taller than the dust cup. It's really easy to use and sucks up everything on my floors. The link to this vacuum is in the description below. I hope you found this review useful. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.